Hello friends, I am Dr. Anup Brahmbhatt, qualified physiotherapist and certified osteopath from IHC Australia. I work for a CB Physiotherapy India, Bangalore, and I work basically in Jayanagar. Now many of my IT people, those who sit in a continuous computer or they travel a lot of two-wheelers or four-wheeler, they ask me, sir, I have a lot of neck pain and which is radiating to the shoulder. So if you ask me, let us doctor understand what exactly the wrong with you. If you are basically IT profession or if you are driving too much of two-wheeler, basic stretch of the neck and basic stretch of the shoulder which will give you much relief. You can even meet a nearby good osteopath which will help to release your fascia. Immediately you will have wonderful results. No need to go for major medicines or surgery required.